My people, how do you do? Don't already know there now. How far? How the matter the before on side? I also not the enjoy na quarantine because ever since this quarantine happen, now different news now we call the see for social media. I also not they save. I also not the enjoy na save. I also not the correct those when girls man and all the fight with na husband. So I already know there now. I mean the couple is John. I mean, who never know me, see me. This is my real face. Don't check me. This is my real face. So, those of you who never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I beg subscribe. See the subscribe button here. If you dey watch me for YouTube, see the subscribe button for down. But if you dey watch me for Facebook, as you dey see our video, you will see the subscribe button for up. My guy, make you click that subscribe button so that you go our YouTube direct, go subscribe. As you dey subscribe, now so God go to bless you. Okay, now today mock news is going to be a great one. It's going to be very scatter one because today I dey vex. Wetin we come dey see for social media now, they make me dey vex. That is why today mock news I just want talk am because the way I take see am, that's why I take talk am. Nobody go pay me, nobody go bribe me, nobody go do anything. Now the way I just take see am, I go take talk am. Are you ready for today mock news? Let's go to the reason why we are here. As they go, Kasala don burst for Benin, for Edo State. Kasala don burst. Those of them who never see this news, not be so much Kasala happen for Edo State between mother and husband and person when they buy property. I just put on like that, property. Mother, husband, and person when they buy property. Not be so much Kasala happen for Edo State. Everywhere scatter. This woman, I just want to break the story down so that you can understand the story. Most of you don't see it, but I just want to break the story down. This woman, if they stay with this so-called husband, put their picture for you when they see him. This woman, they stay with this so-called husband. This husband made the year. This woman, as Cynthia explain, as she explain, she said she get belle, she can't travel go Lagos. As she travel go Lagos, when she did Benin, na Benin there for come. When she did Benin, she never know say she get belle, but she can't travel go Lagos. As she can't travel go Lagos, now there she continue say she get belle. This man, when he dey here, so as the so-called husband, not be say double money for here, they never do anything at all. The woman come from Lagos, call and say, I don't get belle. Oh. This man, he get where the drive go. Mona leave me I talk. He get where the drive go. This man come tell this woman, say not being get that belle. Say this belle when he get so now for Lagos, now for carrier. Where I even the drive go never ever reach. Never ever reach. He say now for Lagos to go carry. Because of this woman come from Lagos. He come company. As he come company, come meet this woman. Now there the so-called property buyer. Woman made the buy property. Now he can't show. This woman, as he come from Lagos, he come meet this man. This man say lie yo. Not be get the belle. Say this woman na for Lagos you go carry the belle come. Say so that may carry the belle back to Lagos. This woman cause say lie yo now this man give her belle. Now to where I'm driving to, as you see me, this man now, wait till they make me they read this news now be this one. This man now, if don't fail deny say no being get belle. The woman made the buy property as I talked before. He say this man deny say no being get belle. Say as the man they beat the woman, he called the take off the woman, take off the woman, take off the woman. The belle can complete 9 months. The woman can put to bed. As the woman can put to bed, he now property buyer. He can't give the woman 300,000. When you want give the woman 300,000, he confess to say he had the money give the woman. But as enough interrogation, he got to say he give the man the 300,000. The man now, they can't ask the woman, wait till cost quarrel. The woman say the man not give her the 300,000. Say the man hold the money. After he don't spend and finish, he called they give him whether 20-something thousand. Make they go start business. You see where they go? If to say you don't understand, if you don't know my point. This man, let me even the problem for this whole issue. Now you deny, say not be your baby. But when money can't come out, now you can't shop the money. You know see say agboke ma well. You know say life no go better for you. You fit deny say the baby when you dey carry no be me get this baby o. I no know anything about this baby o. But when money don show you this man, na you come dey chop the money. You so get out here on my TV screen before I knock your head. Now all this kind man, na the problem dey come state. All this kind man, na people go dey say all those states they not good, Benin not good, this one not good, this one not good. Whereas now all this kind man, na they cause all those kind useless talk. People like you now just the cause all those kind useless talk. When they come they talk say Benin not good. Benin not good, motorway Benin, motorway this one. Those of you now we never see when they explain about wetin happen. Yeah, wetin happen. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
The mother of the baby, Blessing Ogeva, now in police net, was said to have traveled to Lagos after a disagreement with her husband, Joshua Iworo. While in Lagos State, the said Blessing Ogeva called and announced to her husband that she is pregnant. The man, who was furious, rejected the pregnancy, and the woman, upon her return from Lagos, approached one Felicia Imagwawanwo, who promised to take care of the pregnancy and buy the baby after delivery. The idea to sell the baby was brought to the knowledge of the supposed father, who then gave his consent. The woman gave birth in one of the clinics in Upper Sakuba Road in Benin City, and the baby boy was bought same day for the sum of 300,000 naira. The said 300,000 naira was handed over to the man, Joshua Iworo, but trouble started when the mother of the baby requested for a part of the money to start a business. The man was then able to produce 28,000 naira out of the initial 300,000 naira. The woman consequently reported her husband to the police. Upon an extensive investigation by men of the anti-human trafficking of the Edo State Police Command, the baby was rescued and retrieved from the buyer. The police then arrested the couple and the buyer of the baby. They narrate their level of involvement.
Your name?
My name is Kalisha.
Kalisha, what happened?
I'm just the helper today.
Helper as in how?
You get this girl, you get belay.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
He say, you know, no give him belay.
Yes.
Say this man.
Look here,
This man say go Lagos. Say go do prostitution. You know, no give him belay. So this man called the beat am. Say me carry the baby come off for her. Say na Lagos time for bring the belly. So this girl come say she want go abort the belly. Now we say no. Say she not go feel abort the belly. I not get money with them till they abort belly. We not get money. So at the end of the day, this man come see the beat am. May carry the baby to go.
Who be this man?
For us.
Who will be? Who are you in this matter?
She's my wife.
She's your wife. Okay.
So I can't advise her. Say no, it's not right to abort the baby. Now I come ask and say, you not get sister where go assist you. He say no, say call his sister. His sister say me go drink snapper. May die with the baby. Now say no, can't possible.
So what you can advise?
So I can't take care of her. They take care of her. I can't still carry and go church for prayer. After I got born, for that hospital, I come tell her say take the baby. Say no, say no, carry her, say carry, say no. So that's okay. After that, I come give her 300,000 because it make me start up with things.
So you collect the baby from her?
I come collect the baby from her. So even after I collect her, I still dey come.
Where you can't carry the baby go?
I can't go out.
So where police for catch you? How this matter can't reach police hand?
So as the matter can't reach police hand, he said the 300,000 when me give her, may take start up business. Say.
Well, when you take by the baby now, so police talk now.
Where I not come give her again.
Who you give the money to?
I give her. Come, I give her to the man.
They confuse also. That 300,000.
Yes.
Who you give her to before they give you the baby?
Okay, who I give the money to?
Yes.
I say may I give her. I say no, may I give the husband. Now the man I give her, give the money.
Okay, go on.
The
So
man
what can happen now?
he said this man only want to shove the money. The pikin wey say no be you, wey carry come for Lagos. After the money don't come now, this man.
So who can go report for police now?
So I don't know who go report to police. I don't know who go report. Let's you give her.
Just go straight to. You said the baby for how much? 300,000. What did I agree?
We agree say she'll take care of the baby. Then she'll give me money to start up the business after the delivery.
Okay. Then what you can resort to police matter now? Higher police can't enter matter.
After the money don't finish, whether is money finished.
Who uses the money?
My husband.
Okay.
So because I say now, I want to start business now. Money where they pay me, I start business. I not see when me for work to start. So I can't go. The matter can't cost story that day.
Between you and your husband. He marry you officially, pay your dowry.
No.
You can just leave.
Yes.
But now he really give you that belly.
Yes.
You say not being now.
Nine.
Then what you can cause argument for that?
I get 3 children before this belly where
you first get 3 children for the man.
Yes.
And the children dead right now.
Yes.
What you can cause the argument now?
So the argument be say, it's after everything, my friend gather body, say go give me money, my say start the business. But then
what you can cause the argument when you can't toss not being get that baby?
Okay, you say because I go Lagos, go get my brother.
How long you spend for Lagos?
In fact, close to 2 months.
You know, that time the belly take enter.
I don't really get the belly before I go. Now that's why I call and say I get belly. Because I say my not carry am full. So at the end of the day I can't come back. So when I call, I say I don't feel carry the belly for years. See my
now that can cause the argument.
Yes.
So now when
Shebi don see am. You don see the reason why I talk before say I dey vex. Now all this kind thing they make me dey vex. All this kind thing they make me dey vex. Man talk say no be you get pikin. After they don sell the pikin, they can't give you the money. You can't get mad to take shop that money. You are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace to Brocos, and you are a disgrace to the hair going inside the thing. You are a disgrace. Let's go straight to the next news. So say today I felt to say at the verse. No be so more kasala. For Lagos, another kasala don jabrata, another kasala don miaka, another kasala don bra. It don scatter, it don full everywhere. For Lagos, one woman get mad. He get mad. Tak his son. He kana his son. He queenie yan. He Tony brain. He benny yan. He break he bone. He scatter yan. He come put her inside sack because of say he go steal. He steal. Woman get mad. You know, I always they talk. It be like say where all these women for they born these children. It be like say not they pay some women, even though the pikin don't grow, not they pay them. It be like if they are born, they don't forget the pain. As many parables talk, etegarine ayije balo. It be like say now they worry some women. If they don't born pikin, they go come forget the pain. As Jama they talk. When do and scratch album, then do when the scratch fake is, then do forget Alice. Then the worries of women, even though my jam are not correct. You don't know what I talk take on like that. Now be waiting the worries of women. How you go bump pikin? Say because say you do small thing, you go tie hand, tie leg, go tie and put for inside sack, tie and finish, put them for there. You as the mother. You fit drink water, you fit drop cup, you fit eat, you fit drop spoon. That's why if I use the reason some things, I use the reason some women. It gets some kind of things where they make me the vex. Now this kind of thing they make me the vex. Those of now when never see say when this woman they do this nonsense, when they show this nonsense. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Yeah, Dada, kí ló dé?
She be lost here. Now this kind of thing they vex me, all this kind of thing they vex me. I know they like to watch some kind of things when they bring my moran high. I know they watch them. If I see woman when they maltreat their children like this, the thing they vex me. Just get down for me and say they vex me. Now go straight to the next news. For Benin, not be small thing happen between Benin actor. Put a picture for here and I be this one more balance. You are welcome to my show. Before I talk to you, I cover myself safe. Because I don't fear you now. The way you talk, say you know the same money for industry now. May you not come back my small hair, may remain for my head. Go use and do I not talk on. Now I be this one on more balance. If do video last week, I just read this news. Not be say they tell me I read this news, but I read this news they give the upcoming artist and the upcoming news or any other thing. If you be upcoming, I just read this news they give him. They're not the rush for life. There are some people when you don't do movie or don't do things or don't do presenter or don't do something for 5 years, 10 years, they never make name. There are some people may your sister turn for 1 year because now they are luck. They go your make name. You know, suppose when you start, say you don't spend 4 years and you get motor, you get ride, you they live where people they see your body they fresh, you not be like person when they soap man, you call it talk say because say you know they get name. Like yo, God know what they do for your life. I just want to bring this video out because when you first do on my balance, when you first do last week, I not talk. I just keep quiet, they look you. You know why? Because as the parable says, where small pikin go sit down, or if you do a climb Iroko tree, or even though you go on top aeroplane, wait till you go see old man like we, people like we, as we sit down for our studio, so we go see far past you. Wait till you never see, we go see far past them. That is what I want to tell you. This life, nah, lamzam, kete, pion. They know they rush for life. If you rush for life, you go past where you they go. I just read this news to take pull last one for your head. The next time you do that video, give your fans. If you no go along, if you see your eye go clear. Now fans, now be moving. If your fans not watch your video, you not be anything. Now fans, now be moving. As me there so. If my fans not watch me, will be Prince John. Not be anything now. Now fans, now they make person, they grow for life. Not be money when producer they pay you go make you grow. But now the money or the assistance or the help when you need, if fans give you, now they make person they grow for this life. So I'm a balance. Arrange yourself. Those of you now we never see when they apologize, say the video may do no say no good, say I beg money forgive her. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
So when the money came, my family go work. For Salomon of my dear, I'm near. My baby, we go work. My brother, they are men. And the women, a fancy who were got women in the coming up. You go on your women, you my young women, they have a on a set. We are taking out when we go to film you. When we are Joe Wire, or we may send a good baby by dog. Attending on. All that women they do in you. I don't mean we need that. A fast, a those state artists association of Nigeria. Voilà, where the play in here.
If you were meant to sit down when I beg the elders. Baba Eke, Lao EAD, if we're naked to realize where Oeke, Uzaido, Oku, and him. If no more pushing, if no more pushing, different edition. Because we have a video of Suba and Kikimoto, we are quite worried. I want to want you clear the middle for no sensitivity, they your man. But the main thing, Niwa we do ya with the video. What most of my producers here were see my balance number. I want you to always see my balance number. Give her anything, it will take. The main thing ya they are me when you go industry now obe fan sopere.
Okay, I bet we ma.
Obe. The producer no ite wa gwe do ati me. You go no wa. O da ati wa gwe do ati me you go no wa. So in that way anisuni we maybe was where e won ni ke o yi. The boy cannot come me today where my banner do ati me do ati vi. I remember when Pastor C.U. West what he will feel. What you go man? You may you go around where Baba even you go now because the money go in there active form. Wala every new way although they be data imagita.
Realize now withdraw here.
Even when ne wa we be imo ene pa dede comment na do ami where make me na ita where association ya the full Edo fans the full so my best friend I upload the video when I upload the video I was just like na my mother talk na myself I make sure him and not make sure anybody name but inside there me so am here comment ne I want for me so I make comment ne me ata we
I want for
okay I want for that's all wala forgive me in that day yeah we doing association this week this month
where I bomb the people wala ogo wa we saving wa ya the forgive my banners kaka bo mi jeme bi ya mudia ni ma ya we video na mommy ojo wo
ki emu ma ya gboto
yes am ma ya gboto kaka bo
ki emu ma ya gboto ki ne ke ya mu gboto
so we pa be we mi to so ni me the video yi ni ya ti de bai o ya mi ari mana ni ma de bai the video
so we me gboto me ma le wo me ma ya gboto so pon omo agbobo ibosun I feel lele wa yo gbe lawon agbomo aye ba bodo se kan bi omo na agbo bi ma ya se kan bi e teni gan e fancy ya fe wala wo
So I mentioned him, not me say now the producers that they talk about, they come for.
When 4 years you don't speak on one field.
Why is it where you are? How is it where you are?
Wait, me feel we pay me go setting.
Okay, that is
why we feel. That's the thing.
That is it. But money.
Na president.
La baba no yabo west pasaso yi west wali ke ya west all the oenda
abe baba salo jumbo
all the fuel I'm not forgive
baba AK
if my day location with me no say I no dey phone was something push me one wala oge wa west
you don't see the apologies. As you don't apologize, so we forgive you. We the star as an upcoming, we forgive you. Oh yeah, try to bring up yourself, put yourself down so that God could lift you up. Not me the talk with the Bible. He said, "I will bring you up when you put yourself down." In the Bible, yeah, bring yourself down so that we the star we go to bring you up. You know, as they go now, I'm a star. Nice one for the apologies when you give. But if you do anything nonsense, remember my program is on you. We are watching you organ to organ, eye to eye, pian for pian. I don't tell her, as my fans tell me, say me I tell her, me I put the word for a year so that me hear word. You know, say all this speaking now, they say that they talk to them, they're not the hear word. Hear word. The next time when you go happen, you are your own. Nobody go beg for you. Even me, I not go release the video when you do to apologize again. This is just the first and last. The last and the first. First and last. If you are a wise son, yeah, take it. Let's go to the next news. For Spain, not be sumo casalado boss. Everywhere does scatter. For Spain, people don't they complain. They say since this coronavirus don't take in long, it don't even take too much time when it's supposed to take. They say they not feel green again. Say this coronavirus not too much. Say government need to work against this coronavirus. They start protest. Not be small protest though. Road they block everywhere. Even cockroach when they walk out for road, they do protest. They block their lane. Even rat, everybody they protest. They say since when this coronavirus they come, nothing that they see again. Where can even baffle me pass? Even more people they see protest. They say this coronavirus no customer because last 3 weeks they shoot one video when one get they do soapy for inside. If they do one old man soapy, but I don't want to shoot the video because all those kind of video I don't like her for my program. If they do one, they say like they don't see anything for Spain. They say everywhere door hot, everywhere door hard. Whether they say hard. Everywhere hard for Spain. I mean some more hardness. Those of now when they protest, when they talk, when they speak to the government. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. You just see that's where they protest. I don't know what I want to talk. Because even the coronavirus pass our own statute. I know if you say put the governor push on now. Wait, I want to tell governor. Because governor self, even the fear head for this coronavirus. They get many personnel who don't carry this virus. So government now the fear. Wait, I want just test spin. Wait, I want to talk as my fans. Wait, I want to talk. Mona have heart. Mona they pray. God is in control. God will do everything back. I want to talk. I be that one. Mona have heart. Mona they pray. May the government, may the coronavirus, not be even government are supposed to pray for that the coronavirus, may the coronavirus, not be even coronavirus self, the Wuhan virus, the China virus, may the China virus come on for ground. None of they pray for. Even why I use the talk. Because the thing they pay me, even China will create this virus. Wuhan made this virus will come. Wuhan now they don't live well. They even they do things. Those of you now who never seen where Wuhan they celebrate when they open their country back. They celebrate. Oh yeah, Guadalajara.
China has lifted an 11-week lockdown in the city of Wuhan, where the coronavirus outbreak was first identified late last year. Residents celebrated with a light show over the Yangtze River. The closure of Wuhan in Hubei province started on the 23rd of January and lasted 76 days. Wuhan has now recorded 0 new deaths for the first time since the pandemic began, prompting authorities to go ahead with plans to lift the citywide quarantine. 11 million people living in the city are allowed to travel, and domestic flights from Wuhan airport will resume. Travellers will get temperature checked and provide a code on a smartphone app confirming good health and that they have not been in close contact with anyone who has contracted the virus.
Maybe you don't see Wuhan, where the coronavirus, coronavirus, because the virus, the person go hook you join ground, go pin you, where the coronavirus will start. All of the they don't enjoy their life. But when the coronavirus, the country where the coronavirus not for start, I wake up put the matter for it. Not see now only God go intervene because we don't know who the one mission and take on. We'll go straight to the next news, John. If you see governor, now once you tell no better governor, they're not going to tell you say this one a governor. One governor don't make us proud for Nigeria. The video they go viral. Even everybody does see the video. The video they go viral. The way governor take act, the way they attend to his citizen. Now so governor supposed to take the attend to his citizen. Put the picture for here. Mr. Sherman, you are welcome. This Cross River State Governor. The way it speak to Cross River people and to the Cross River anti-tax construction and no one know. The way they speak to them about this tax payment, even who get brain self, as you reason now as a governor, you know say, wait till this man talk. Now one of the good things me governor don't ever do for the history of Nigeria. Now one of the good things. How could person go the stress survive with banana? You go hold and me pay tax. Maybe the money now me take buy the banana na 500 naira. You can't hold now me pay tax of about 200 naira. You can't pay tax. He can't sell the banana 500 and na 500, or you can't sell the banana 600. Now 500 you take buy the banana, you can't get 100 naira again. You as the tax collector, you don't already collect 200 naira for inside that money. Out of the 600 naira me make, you don't collect 200 and call it at 400 naira. How person go fit can't save for inside the econ? Not be even the profit oh. Not be the save now. Now for inside econ, you go come drink water, you go come shop. You may just sit down your you they collect the econ, collect the profit, collect the gain, collect the medes. This is governor. He say lala he no go ever green. Any state, every people when thought they do mini business, he know say they not they see something, they not they survive well. He say from today, he cancel all their tasks. As I hear that one, next one. governor, nice one. He say he cancel everything. No need to the mini. Those of now we never hear when the governor they talk about them. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama put, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living, they have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather tax my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor have said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell, and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite to go to market and somebody is putting a checkpoint on the road and collecting money from the granite seller? This is not Ben Ayade, this is not my nature. I am not wired for this insensitivity to a weaker person. I have abolished produce tax. Let farmers earn their money, let them keep their money. Because you didn't give them fertilizer, you did not irrigate the soil, you did not prepare the soil for them, you did not do the land clearing for them. Why do you want to tax them? Why do you put pressure on that, your small brother or sister, whose situation is much worse? Why will we expect that people who don't have scholarship for their children, who don't have good schools, they struggle to pay, struggle with the uniforms, struggle to have security in their small businesses, struggle to get water with their borehole, struggle with generator, and government is providing almost nothing to come back to such people and tax them? I think this is the greatest injustice. I never knew that 5 years into office as governor, I would still find somebody who could live in a thatch house in Cross River. I almost cried because I knew how prepared I was, but it didn't end the way I had dreamt for the state. And I just think that somewhere God will just help me, because I really wish I could really help. I really wish I could help. It's very painful, truly. I can't put 5 years and I've not been able to do the change I wished. I know of some small people whose businesses are closed because even after signing into law that they should stop collecting tax, I still find people giving political appointment for a completely different thing, and you see them go back to these same people and dragging them and seizing and closing their shops and taxing. If we have to pay tax, let me contact the anti-tax agency. They will give us a tax code whether we fall under the category of those to pay tax or not. So your vehicles, your public life, your telephone numbers will be in the public domain, because everybody must call you to clear whether they have to pay tax or not to pay tax. And so I pick only men of God and women of God to serve here. I charge you that by the time you are done, let your agency be a world-class example for other states and countries to emulate. If God sees into my heart, let him take every single wealth I have. If he can make every single Cross Riverian rich, if he can take every single Cross Riverian out of poverty, let Ben Ayade and the Ayades, let us be poor for Cross Riverians to be comfortable. Let me see Calabar thrive again. And this is part of my post-COVID-19 response.
Shebi you don't see when governor the talk. Why Edo State governor no go just be like this River State governor? Why Obaseki no fit just talk like this? Poor Obaseki picture. Oh God, you know your fit talk like this. Now you go conference, you go to sleep. You know your fit talk as better president. They talk. You don't know say Edo people they suffer. You know they see they suffer the way your Agberu boys still they maltreat people. You know they see. Oh, I don't know what time why you're still and just shake my head. I better remove Obaseki come off my show, put better governor. Next one, you try. This one me you do now. Go give some governor, me get brain, me that they think. You go give them mad to take do their home. Next one. If states feel they do like that, if states feel they fight for their country like that, you know see and say things go better. Go straight to the next news. This news now for Lagos State, and not be only Lagos State, now for different states. Why they talk is that, you know, it don't say when Edo State they complain about this this thing Esme. They complain about this phone and Esme. Don't think when Edo State they complain, but no other states talk about them. Edo State don't think when they complain say this phone and Esme they kill, but no other state talk about them. Now the phone and Esme now don't reach Lagos State. They don't say they push out there as they push out foul for Lagos State. This is just the problem for Nigeria. If one state they talk, it not concern the other state. The other state no one talk, but they no one say okay, we'll go help this state. If one state they pass through something because it not concern the other state no one say okay, we'll go help this thing. That is just the problem for Nigeria. Nigeria not to get big problem. That is just the problem because we no want help each other. This one with the thing say that state don't collect allocation and they don't collect money, they don't do this and make they fight their case. They don't know say that thing when they happen to one state, it will still reach their turn. As Benin say, if they reach everybody body, as it reach my turn today, not just think out twice. Maybe tomorrow it will be your turn. Now just be the life. If to say when this phone and ESM they gwanda those states since Lagos State or states wey surrounded those states they talk about them, or they put the matter to parliament discuss about them. Maybe this thing now enough for spread like coronavirus. Under how many hours, under how many sites now the thing that they spread enter the whole country, on the whole state. Before you know, you go enter state no even expect say go enter. These full AliExpress they are wicked. Those of you now will never see what full AliExpress do to Lagosians. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Show on my hand now. Show on my body.
Blood all over. I don't know, what did they use to cut you people?
Stick and rubber, iron pipe, everything.
This cable, rubber,
on your head, Oga.
If I put my body here, you see them.
No. This is
too much. My laps.
Jesus Christ.
You don't see what they try to talk about. So this one now is a special warning to the other states in Nigeria. The earlier you people try to stop this Fulani Esme, the better for all of us. Because now not be only Edo State now you go jump. It's spreading like coronavirus. It's spreading around. It's spreading. You people just use your brain before it gets too late. We'll go straight to the next news. Okay, my people, now y'all take here to don't already know the year. Now maybe Priest John. Those of you now who never subscribe by the verse, I beg me, I know verse. I dey happy. Subscribe here. As you they subscribe, they click the bell, the ogbonge bell make today, so that you will get notification anytime they post our video. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Not be my power, but not your power. You my viewers. I better subscribe to my YouTube channel. The way you subscribe, now so God will take bless you. Thank you. I remain your humble boy, Priest John. Now the matter they be now. We see next time. Oh yeah now.